Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my second box from BOXYCHARM. I was about to say my second and last box. I don't think that's true. I did cancel my subscription with them, but it's because I've been spending too much money recently. Also, I realized they have like a higher tier you can do to get like better items, and I didn't realize that wasn't this one. And I would have just done that in the first place if I would have known. But too late now. So I'm just gonna wait till I save some money some more. But for now, this will be my last box of 2019. I actually got this a while ago, but I just have been super busy. And I shouldn't say super busy, I haven't managed my time well, but let's get started. So, opening up the box, it's super cute. This is BOXYCHARM, and they're the things you can reach them on Instagram and Twitter and their hashtag. And then this says save the date. Oh, it's with the holiday shopping stuff starting November 10th. See, that's how long ago this was. Whatever. And then this is the list of items that are in the box, but I will show you guys first, and then I'll put a picture of this list at the end. Oh, this is pretty cool. These are lashes. I actually like them. They're just really long. And they're fake lashes, thank God. Okay, so these are from Lava Lashes in Los Angeles. Might have to open it so you guys can, yeah, I'll open it so you can see it better. They look really pretty. They're just really long, and I'm more of a natural lash look person. I think the longer ones look good from far away, but from up close taking selfies, I don't like them on myself personally. Everybody's different. If you like them, it's completely up to you. I'm not judging you. I'm just saying for me, I like the natural look. So, and I'm not even wearing lashes right now, as you can tell. Looks comes with some type of paper, probably with instructions. I'm just trying to show you guys these lashes. This is probably the best it's gonna get. But I like how like they're thin and everything. I like that they're not too thick, and I like thick lashes, but when it comes to fake lashes, not so much. But they're just long. But you know what, I might wear them on my trip. I think I will. See if I take it out, if you can see it a little better. Oh, this is so frustrating. I'll take a picture so you guys can see it if you haven't been able to get a good look already. But this packaging was super cute. Super, super cute. I'm gonna look into this place, especially since they're fake lashes. I wonder how much they cost. Let's see. They're $20. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I think this box was $35 total. I can't imagine paying $20 for one pair of lashes, but I don't make real money like that either. Let's see. So super cute packaging. I like it. You guys did a good job with this marketing. So these are the Lava Lashes. It says you can get 15 uses out of them, so that's pretty good. And the specific lashes are called Charm Faux Mink. That's what it looks like. Charm Faux Mink. Okay. Next, this bag that says Lexi. I have not opened this yet, if I didn't say that already. I cut it open right before I started this video. So this is the bag. This is cool. Like a little piece. Oh my gosh, this is perfect because I almost bought some makeup brushes. I almost bought some yesterday. This is perfect. They look like they're brushes for your eyes to do eyeshadow and stuff. I legit almost bought some yesterday. Wow. So let me see. I'm trying to see the best way you guys will see them. Probably have to take them out of the plastic. Okay. Yeah, that's better. So these are the 5 different brushes. Wow. Now I'm almost upset that I canceled my subscription, because that first box was just okay to me, and I can't even use the CBD oil stuff. I'm gonna have to give it to somebody else. That really upset me. But this is cool. I like this. This is really cool. So this is from Lexi. This is called the Wonderful Set, and it is usually $40 alone. So super cool. This is perfect because I never thought about getting a separate bag for my brushes. And now I have one. this is really cool. If you guys can't tell, cool is like the adjective I use for everything. Next is Keep It Trio Brazilian Kiss. The brand looks like, why did I say trio? I cannot read. Okay, the brand looks like it's called Brazilian Kiss, and it's tinted lip butter. Okay, cool. I thought it was gonna be lipstick. I was kind of scared, but it's just moisturizing. So this is the packaging. Very cute. And this is what it's supposed to look like. And I get scared when it comes to lip stuff because not all pinks look good on black people. Just gonna be honest. Like, we cannot do some of this stuff, and I know some black people love to wear hot pink, and not all shades of hot pink look good on us. This it smells really good. It just smells like lipstick, but I guess I forgot what lipstick smells like. So it looks like lipstick, but kind of like why did I say that? Like moisturizer, chapstick too? I don't know. It would probably be better if you could see it in person. I don't know why I put the camera so far from me. I just filmed another video right here, and I guess I just didn't think about moving it. But I'll take a picture so you guys can see what it looks like. But I'm excited for this. Let's see how much this usually is. Sol de Janeiro. That's the brand. Sol de Janeiro. Sun of Janeiro. And yeah, it's called Brazilian Kiss Tinted, I don't know how to say this word, lip butter. And it has acai and coconut oils in it. That's cool. And something else, I don't know how to say it. It looks like kapauaku. I don't know how you say this word. I'll look it up. Yeah, it's basically just chapstick with a tint of color. So cool. Excited to try this one. Okay, next is a serum. Okay, cool. I think it asked me what I wanted in my next one. Like, it gave me like 2 options, and I put a serum over something else. So cool. It is Farsali. It's called Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum, which is great because my nose has been getting so dry recently, and then I do my makeup and you can see like the flakes of dry skin, and it's disgusting. Ew, cool. I feel like a doctor. This is cool. Apply a few drops to dampen skin before creams. Use morning and night. So this is what it looks like. It reminds me of a baby bottle. Really cute. And then you take this out, this dropper out, and you squeeze the top, and a drop comes out. Oh, it reminds me of Chem Lab. I hated Chem Lab. Don't ask me why I was a bio major when I hated taking science classes. I actually liked chemistry, and I wanted to like AP chemistry. I just sucked at it. But don't ask me how I got an A in OChem 2 lab either, because I don't know how that happened. God was looking out for me. Okay, so that one was originally $24. Not too bad for a serum. It's called Farsali. I don't know if it's Prive or Privé. I feel like it's not Prive. And the last one, it looks like it's about to be a palette. Yep, an eyeshadow palette. It's, don't ask me how to pronounce this. Something London, and it's the New England Editor palette. So this is the packaging. Very, very cute. Okay, there we go. You can see it without the glare. Very cute. This is the box. I don't know why I have to angle it like this for it to not have a glare. And it's cruelty free and vegan. Oh, these colors are very pretty, and I'm just looking at myself in the mirror now. But these are super pretty colors in a wide range too. I like it. So these are the colors, and this is the mirror. And you might see that wig hanging up. It needed to dry. But these are the colors. I think these are super pretty. Like sometimes you only get like browns or purples and mauves or pinks, and this is a nice range of normal and new stuff, so I really like it. So I am way happier with this box than the first box I got. The first box I got was honestly kind of a disappointment to me. That CBD oil thing really like pissed me off because not everybody's into that stuff, and I don't judge. I don't care what you do, especially if it's legal, but everybody doesn't want that and they didn't ask me, so that really irritated me. And then the bronzer that blended in with my skin tone, like I'm just gonna have to give that away. That irritated me too. But this box is way better. Like if other boxes are like this, then I definitely think that BOXYCHARM is worth it. So to recap, eyeshadow palette, quenching serum, tinted lip balm, faux lashes, and makeup brushes for your eyeshadow. 5 of them, and a pouch for it. For $35. Definitely think that was worth it. Yeah, like I said earlier, I probably will get BOXYCHARM again and get the luxury version. I call it luxury, not really. I don't know if other people call it luxury. I forgot what they call it. But I just need to save some money right now, so that was kind of out. But thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you. If you get BOXYCHARM and you like BOXYCHARM or other stuff, let me know. I've heard stuff about Ipsy, I don't really know. And there's other stuff I want to try too, like for a home decor with this kind of stuff. It looks really cool. So yeah, let me know if you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and comment what you liked and what you want to see next time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would definitely appreciate it if you did that. And if you already have subscribed and you always watch my videos and comment, thank you so much. I really appreciate it more than you guys know. And I hope you guys have a happy holiday. Bye.